day, guys. Look at this. Look at the flowers. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Flowers are grooming. So these are the cherry blossoms. And I'm gonna bring you up to the this is apricot. Look at the beautiful flowers of apricot. Gorgeous, right? It's beautiful. So I'm Regina. I'm a digital business owner, and this life I am enjoying right now is because of digital business. Now I'm working at home, and I don't have to clock in, clock out at work. Digital business changed my life. I don't have to rush to traffic to go to work. I'm now working at home in the comfort of my home. So today is so gorgeous. Look at the clouds. So I'm taking advantage of the sun, of the clouds. We have sun, no rain. It is still cold. It's still cold. But oh my gosh, it's so crazy. I'm just so happy to be out here right now and enjoying this breeze. This is my life as a digital business owner. If you're someone out there who's stressed at work and is struggling to keep a job, I used to be like you about 4 years ago. My life was so stressful, and I struggled to keep a job. I'm always rushing to work. I'm always fighting for stress and pressures related to work related, and I don't really live my life. I wake up tired. I go to bed worried, going through the life experiences I went through at work, and waking up just dragging myself out of bed so that I can get to work. Digital business changed that, guys. Now no more rushing to work, no more clocking on clock, no more no more pressure from co-workers. Just me and my world in digital. So I'm Regina. I'm helping people to earn income online. I'm teaching them how to create valuable content like this one, to be natural, to be confident, to go out there and take a video of yourself and share your story. It's simple as sharing your story. Sharing your story inspire people how you're able to change your life. You don't have to be a big one. You don't have to be a big creator to do this. And the best part is, you know what? You'll think that nobody will care about your story. I used to be like you. I used to be very shy, and I used to be very quiet. I actually lost my voice when I was working, and I thought that my story is something that nobody should know, or I have that my story is something I can keep myself. But you know what? Digital business has changed that. I realized that a lot of women out there are living the same story that I have. They have to wake up stressed in the morning, going to bed worried and concerned about the future of their children, concerned about what will happen if you're not able to work, concerned about how can you support yourself if your body is too sick to go to work, and concerned about you reaching the age where there is no savings for you because there is really not much that you can do as adult people decide about your value. So if you're ready to value yourself, your worth, and your time, and to create that self-employment, to create the lifestyle that you deserve, comment yes, and let me share to you how I'm able to do it to change my life. Digital business makes me stay at home mom, do what I want, and have more time for my things that I love to do. Now, look at this, guys. I can go out here with this breeze. This is priceless. No amount of money can give this happiness to me right now. Enjoy life and comment yes, and let's do digital together.